Welcome to my channel. My name is Silynthia, and I'm your mom who's trying to get her family to financial freedom. I have a part-time job. I also have an Etsy shop with SilynthiaC Budgets and Vlogs. I'll link our shop as well as our freebies down below so you can grab them if you'd like. All of these savings challenges are from either S&C Budget Creations or they are from SilynthiaC Budgets and Vlogs Ko-Fi shop or her YouTube memberships. So I will link them down below so you can grab them if you're interested. Happy Saving Saturday. So I decided today's a day, sit down and do a savings challenge cash stuffing, but do not make change for these five, Silynthia. That's what I decided. So here we are. We're going to count up what we're working with. 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 32, 34, 36, 38, 39, 40, 41, 42, 43, 44, 45. I have $45 here. And so what we will do is we're going to just work on getting these, getting the money together first. We are going to, how are we going to do this? All right, so I am getting ahead of myself. I was grabbing the money and trying to get going, and that's not what we're doing first. We need to add in our other savings challenges. Usually I like to finish my savings challenges and then move on, but this time, since we're so close on some of them, we're going to throw in a couple of the other ones that are missing a savings challenge. And I mentioned before I needed to do my Aries and Taurus savings challenge because I threw my Leo in there like it's Leo season, and it's not. But I did Aries and Taurus, and this Sahara Soleil is from SilynthiaC's, one of her memberships. Oh, and this is my 26-week savings challenge, but I'm not doing it weekly. I'm going to do a roll and save like I did last time, because some of my savings challenges are so close to being completed, I did decide to pull that one out. That's where we're at. Hopefully, I can edit this and make it make sense. Sometimes I don't make sense. All right, so first savings challenge, this should be getting 6 bills, but it's not. We're going to add 3 because it only needs $3, and we'll come back. 3 bills, 1, 2, 3. All right, which one is this? Oh, okay. Coffee and budgets, 1. Taurus, what are you getting? 3, 1, 2, 3. All right, 2, 1, 2. Next up, 1. Oh, okay. This one only needed $3. Okay, we'll make change for that, and we'll come back to that one. All right, completed. Skip it. This one's not complete. Oh, let's see. It might get completed. 2, 1, 2. Oh man. 6. 1, 2, 3. I only have 3 bills left, and I think it's going to complete this savings challenge. Let's see. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, it only needed $6, so we have $7 left. And which savings challenge is getting this $7? 4. Okay, so I only have 2 left. I'm just going to throw that in there. Okay, that way it went really fast, and I did not make a change, so we got through that. Let's see here. First up, this savings challenge, I was adding $1 to each. We're adding $3 today. 2, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Perfect. It's completed, but I do want to mark it. Perfect. And I think we will add this one in the space of number 1. Too bad this one didn't get started today from our roll and save. That would be perfect. All right, Aries, you're up. Let's see how much you got. 5, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. Let's see. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. Woo, that went quick. All right, this one's going to take a second to dry, so I will leave it there. And just hopefully I remember it's number 2. All right, and coffee and donuts. Look at you. We're adding $6 to this savings challenge. Oh, we don't need to pull that out, do we? $6. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And this one saved me 10, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24. Yes. Looks like that's still a little bit wet. We're not going to add anything until the next time we get really close on these. And Taurus, you're up. 5, 6, 7. Oh, another 5 back there. 5, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. All right, and that one was number 4, so 2 and 4. All right, and then we have $2 going here. And we'll just work on that 2 there. All right, and number 6 is my Leo savings challenge, which only needed $3. So let's take 2 out. And now we have 5, 10, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24. And this one's completed. And were there any others that were kind of close? Nope. Nope. Because we just added them in there. We're not adding anything to 3. Number 4 is still a little bit wet. How about we add this $2 to Zahara? Yeah. Zahara, you deserve $2 more. You've been working hard, girl. Alright, so we're going to do $2. And now we have 1, 2, 3, 4. So for those of you who don't know, I'm Cassie J Budgets and Vlogs. Is here on YouTube. She has a budgeting channel. She also does like family vlogs and all kinds of fun stuff. But she does have a membership, and she offers beautiful savings challenges, and she sends them in the mail. And you do have an option to sign up for the digital membership as well. So yeah, so cool. Let me put this back in number 4. Yay, we did it. Okay. I'm going to have to find some bigger bills. I know that I have my money for Mini Mondays, so I may need to pull that because I think it's in 20s anyway. So I'll work on that, pulling that. We completed 3 savings challenges today. Yay, I love it, love it, love it. I'm just going to separate this money so I can put it into my sinking funds binder, where I store the cash until I'm actually ready to do a savings challenge, until I'm actually ready to do a sinking funds cash stuffing. Yes. Okay, let's see here. All this cash. Saving a little bit at a time has helped tremendously, so much. I am thinking about challenging myself a little bit more, where I am taking on a few more of the higher amounts of savings challenges. I don't know how well it will go if maybe I'll actually run my 26 weeks as a 26-week savings challenge. We'll see. I mean, we'll see how it goes, because I'm the chicken, and then also I don't want to bite off more than I can chew. You know how you go through seasons where things are going a certain way and then transitions take place. Things change and you're like, oh boy, I have to change everything. I don't want to go through that, but it happens. So I'm going to see what I can do in terms of my savings challenges. All right. I am going to need to get some bigger bills, because that's awesome. I'm not going to count it up. If you want to know how much I have in my sinking funds envelope, then you have to return to my sinking funds cash stuffing. Typically on Wednesdays, if I'm able to. I like to do them on Wednesdays. I don't have a set schedule. I have a loose schedule. However, what I like to believe is that if I did have a permanent schedule, it would be Sundays would be my high priority cash stuffing. Mondays would be my mini Mondays. Wednesdays would be my sinking funds, cash stuffing. Freebie Fridays on Fridays, and saving Saturdays, which is my S&C budget creations savings challenges. But don't hold me to it. You know, I'm trying to do the best I can with making sure that I'm staying consistent. And we'll see how things go for me over here, you guys. Wish me luck. I am trying to move, and I will keep you posted on the details of that part of my journey. I don't want to speak too much on it because, you know, sometimes, especially with me, plans fall through. I have ideas, great ideas, but they don't always pan out the way that I would like for them to. But say a little prayer for me, and you know, my boys, we would love to be out and move out of the place where we're living now. But anyway, that's it for now, guys. I want to thank you all so much for watching. Please like, share, comment, and subscribe. All of the things that can keep us connected. I look forward to seeing you in my next video. Thanks so much for watching. Bye, guys.